Hi, Rick here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Digital Fortress, where we discuss digital currency technologies and I demonstrate sometimes how to use them. This video I'm making right now is for beginners and intermediate level computer users who would like to secure their digital assets and verify the integrity of the file that they download when they download Daedalus Wallet using a SHA-256 hashing algorithm, which is actually pretty easy to use. It's actually for advanced users. I just put the instructions at the front of the video for reference because obviously you don't need the whole video, so I just put it right up front, make it nice and easy. And for experts, you don't even need this video. So this is for beginners and intermediate level. I'm going to go through all of the fine details of how to verify you're on the correct Daedalus website. That's like the first layer of defense, or one layer of defense. There are many, many layers of defense against hackers and all the bad people out there, is verify you're on the correct web page. And another layer of defense is to verify that the file you downloaded for the Daedalus wallet is the correct file. And that is the purpose of this video. So let's get on with it. I'm going to demonstrate how to verify that you've downloaded a genuine version of Daedalus 1.3 using two different operating systems, Windows and Mac. Linux will come later. In this demo, I'm using Windows Server 2012, but it doesn't matter if you're using Windows 7, 8, or Windows 10. They'll all work the same way with the method that I'm using here. Here we begin to download Daedalus Wallet from daedaluswallet.io. Go to launch Firefox. Go to daedaluswallet.io. I get a green lock in the web browser and verify I have HTTPS daedaluswallet.io. The reason for this is there's a lot of bad people out there who will spoof the website. They'll spoof this URL. They'll copy the website, make it look just like this. And this go for any website, and then install malicious software inside the code that you're downloading. Next, we download the wallet itself. Here we have download Daedalus. I'm going to select it. Now I save the file to begin the download. I'm going to check. Here's the file I'm downloading. Daedalus 0110 TAC Cardano SL mainnet Windows 8183.exe. The instructions for verifying the SHA-256 checksum are right here on the website. Verify checksum. This is the best place to get the instructions from because when they update the website, they will update the instructions here. So it's the best place to get the instructions from. And you just follow this procedure. The SHA-256 checksum is shown here. This is the number we're going to compare our results to verify it. Now I can see my download is complete. Before I install this file or hit open, I want to verify it is the correct checksum down here under the SHA-256. So the next step to verify I've downloaded the correct file before installing it is I press Windows R. Next to the space bar there's a Windows key. Press and hold, tap R. It's going to launch a pop-up menu. In the pop-up menu you type CMD for command. It will launch a terminal window. Inside the terminal window you type CD downloads. I'm going to type CD for change directory, capital DOWN. I'm going to press the tab key to finish spelling it for me. That's called tab complete. Then hit enter. And now I'm in the downloads directory. The next command I type in is certutil, CERTUTIL, space TAC hash file, HASHFILE, space Daedalus, DAEDALUS. And I would continue typing TAC 0.11.0 TAC Cardano SL, but instead I'm going to press tab to tab complete the entire name of the file. Then I hit space and I finish the command by typing SHA-256 for SHA-256, then enter. It's going to run math and produce an output number. Then I take that number and I compare it to the SHA-256 checksum in the window. It starts off with Charlie Echo 7 Echo, Bravo 1, and so on, and ends with Echo 4 42 Bravo 4, and that number matches the SHA-256 checksum shown down here. That means it's now safe to install the file since it's a match. I can go up here, select Open File, and begin the installation process. Next, I'm going to show you the same procedure on Mac OS X. For Mac, I'm going to launch Safari. Go to DaedalusWallet.io. I'm going to verify that I'm at the correct website because I have a lock, and it's https://DaedalusWallet.io. And what I mean by bad people out there on the internet can spoof a website is they might make one that says DaedalusWallet.com, or they'll change a few of the letters in this URL so that it looks like the same website, but it's not. So there's another layer of security right there that you want to check that I talked about earlier. Then I select download. Takes me to Mac. I hit download Daedalus. It begins to download. Check that it started. And again for Mac also, the verified checksum instructions are right here on the page. You click it. Here you have the instructions. The good thing about getting it from the website is when you update the website, they can update the instructions at the same time. I see that the download completed. My download file is Daedalus Tech 0.11.0 Cardano, and it goes on mainnet macOS 2660. Before I install that file, I want to verify it's correct. To do that, I need to launch a terminal. So what I do to launch a terminal is I press Command key and hold. So press and hold Command, tap the space bar. That launches the Spotlight search bar. I type in terminal and it auto completes. I hit enter. That launches a terminal. Inside the terminal, I'm going to type cd space DOWN for downloads and press tab to auto complete and hit enter. Then to run SHA-256, I type the command SHA-SUM space TAC A space 256 space Daedalus tab complete. That finishes the command for me, and hit return. The system runs the math and returns a unique number. I compare that number, 6 Alpha Delta 90 Delta Alpha, the beginning, verify the whole thing through the middle, Bravo Charlie Charlie 22 Alpha E4 at the end, and the number matches down here below. So now this file is safe. I can exit the terminal, close it, click the file to launch it. I've got a good file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below, and thanks for watching Digital Fortress. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.